Hi everyone, and welcome to our channel. The Kiwi Ears Halcyon is an in-ear monitor featuring a unique tri-brid MEMS, one 10mm dynamic driver, and three balanced armature drivers. Let's learn more about Kiwi Ears Halcyon by IEM with lightweight design. The Halcyon is crafted from a medium-sized, lightweight aluminum alloy shell that has been CNC machined and anodized. Each shell weighs just 5.8 grams, with an average nozzle diameter of 6.1 millimeters. While the anodizing finish appears mostly silver, it also takes on a warm titanium hue depending on the intensity and angle of light, as seen in the photos. Sound quality. While the Halcyon closely approximates Harman's signature sound, there are a few notable differences. The sub-bass and mid-bass are slightly emphasized, and the low-frequency treble is slightly weakened, resulting in an overall richer and calmer sound. Bass. The Halcyon's sub-bass is slightly stronger than typical Harman-style tuning. Although not a significant difference, it is noticeable as it adds sufficient weight to the low-frequency range. The booming sound is more audible, and the overall bass feels more solid. Mid-range. The mid-range is clean. Separation is excellent, and the sound of each instrument is easily distinguishable without sounding forced. A clear timbre is felt, vocals are heard distinctly, and no sound feels muffled. However, the low-mid range is somewhat weak. Harman's characteristic mid-bass scooping phenomenon appears again. Treble. The low-high range is slightly cut, reducing the sharpness of the sound and allowing the low-mid and vocals to sound more natural. However, if this range is overemphasized, a sharp sound can occur that distracts from the focus of the mid-range. So adjusting it appropriately helps create a clearer overall sound. Stock cable. The review sample came with a thick brown 2-pin cable that looks good and feels premium. Featuring a modular plug system that supports both 3.5mm and 4.4mm plugs. Comfort and isolation. Weight and size are crucial factors for comfort, and the Halcyon offers excellent fit thanks to its lightweight design, moderate size, ergonomic design, and comfortable ear tips. The Halcyon fits my ear shape perfectly, so much so that when I get immersed in music, I even forget I am wearing them. Measurement results. When measuring the Halcyon, I found that the channel matching was excellent, despite being equipped with 5 drivers per channel. The bass boost occurs only below 200 Hz, providing clean mid-bass. The ecto ear gain increases by about 10 decibels around 3 kHz, which is a proper balance that brings out the presence of vocals without the high frequencies standing out. Kiwi Ears Halcyon features. The Halcyon is a tri-brid earphone composed of a 10mm composite diaphragm dynamic driver, responsible for sub-bass, 2 DEK series custom balanced armature drivers, responsible for mid-range, a WBFK series custom balanced armature tweeter, responsible for high range, and a MEMS driver, responsible for ultra-high range. MEMS drivers are the latest technology used in earphones and require a separate high-voltage amplifier. Since they are integrated into the Halcyon and driven by a single amplifier, the MEMS driver requires a voltage step-up transformer. Well, the Kiwi Ears Halcyon is an earphone that anyone will likely enjoy. Personally, I wish the mid-low frequencies were slightly more emphasized to deliver a richer sound, but it still exhibits clean and balanced tuning. The MEMS driver reproduces high frequencies excellently, adding spatial depth and creating a natural, non-artificial tone. The mid-range is not heavily emphasized but is very clean and harmonizes well with the overall sound. In terms of practicality, its compact size will be a significant advantage for many users. However, at this price point, it would have been nice to have a wider variety of ear tip options.